Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the By Your Side kit. Share heartfelt cards of support and friendship with those you care about. This stamping kit comes with pre-cut die cuts of cats, dogs, and all you need to create 8 thoughtful cards. This kit is available in English, French, and German. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or rewind the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. What adorable projects! If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!